Hello, I'm excited to announce the launch of Prezent API. You have told us that the last mile of transforming your AI-generated documents to on-brand presentations is manual and painful. With Prezent API, you can now generate stunning on-brand presentations right from within your applications, data pipelines, or workflows. So how does it work? Here are 3 powerful ways enterprises are using Prezent API in their workflows. First, integrate Prezent with your chatbot or assistant. Brainstorm ideas, add context and files, and prompt your chatbot to call the API to visualize your ideas in brand-perfect slides. For example, a Fortune 2000 company is using the Prezent API within their chatbots and has added a Create Presentation button, turning client call summaries into polished RFP response decks with a single click. Second, application integration. Embed Prezent API directly into your applications and generate presentations with relevant data and context. It is perfect for turning dashboard insights into executive-ready updates, or to visualize long-range plans or roadmaps into visual storylines, right from within your applications. Third, autonomous agents. Our APIs can also work autonomously with your internal AI agents. Your LLMs can call Prezent automatically when a task needs presentation output. We recently helped an IT team use APIs to automate their KPI decks with scheduled hands-free updates. Prezent API autonomously creates on-brand presentations when you need them. And you have the full range of Prezent's smart editing tools right within your workflows. Refine your slides with hundreds of options for layout, visuals, and charts, all in your brand colors and style. Every presentation stays consistent, compliant, and beautifully on brand, with enterprise-grade security and protection. The last mile is no longer a problem. Curious to see how this works in your world? Book a demo and let's reimagine how your teams present.